This Select Realty property video is presented by Sandra Thomas. This 3-halves brick and frame home has sat vacant for a time and is needing a family willing to do the repairs in order to bring it back to life. The 4.20 acres is in a good location, being close to the attractions of the Rich Mountain/Black Fork Mountain area, including biking, hiking and horseback riding trails. Price to be sold as is. See agent remarks for more information. Review the details below or contact Sandra Thomas at 479-394-7676.